Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. This is how to cut kale. There are two common types of kale that you'll see in the grocery store and at farmers markets: curly kale and Tuscan kale. You cut them both in the same way. To start out, we'll cut out the stem of the kale. Hold it with your fingers and use the knife to cut the stem right out. Then roll up the remaining leaves and slice them into thin slices. Make sure that you have a good firm grip on the base of your knife. Sliced kale works great in soups and salads. If you would like to have it chopped, you can also turn it the other way and give it a few more slices. And that is how to cut kale. If you'd like to see more of our knife skills videos, hundreds of recipes, and more about our cookbook, Pretty Simple Cooking, head over to acouplecooks.com.